It's amazing the difference 3 days can make. Saturday night against UMass, the Spiders couldn't throw it in the ocean from a rowboat. Tonight they got well against Fordham. This stickback was one of Fordham's few highlights. The Spiders started raining three-pointers on the Rams in the first half and never looked back, making a Robins Center single-game record 16 three-pointers while shooting 48% from three-point land. 8 different Spiders made a three-point shot in the game. And it wasn't just the three-pointers that were going in. The Spiders shot a very impressive 56% field goal percentage for the game, running up 102 points. The first time the Spiders have broken the century mark since November of 2009 against VMI. And finally, one of the most impressive stats of this wonderful night, 30 assists and only 6 turnovers. What an amazing offensive performance for the Spiders. Next up, St. Bonaventure, Saturday night in Orleans, New York. Go Spiders.